So you accepted the job on the Xometry Partner Network. Let's look at the current jobs page and see what we've got. Here you can see your unique job ID and other basic information about the job. You can also expand the view here to see detailed information about each part in the job, download part files and travelers, get in touch with Xometry, and most importantly, complete this part status workflow. The part status workflow is doubly important. First, it gives us a clear understanding of where you are with each part so we can reach out and lend assistance if needed. Second, it ensures that all required documentation is logged and reaches the customer in a timely manner, which helps prevent the need for compliance-related reworks. To that end, we expect you to provide timely updates as work is being completed. If we detect that a job might be behind schedule because you have not updated the part statuses, we will prompt you to provide an update. I'll walk through the workflow very quickly, but in reality, you will check off each step as you complete it over the course of each job. First, when you've sourced your materials and have them in hand, you'll go in and check off the raw materials received status. Once you have begun fabricating parts for the job, you'll check off the production started status. Once all these parts are completed and you're ready for inspection, you'll check off the inspection started status. Please inspect all parts according to Xometry's inspection standards and fill out your inspection report using Xometry's standard template. This information and more can be found on your account profile page under Xometry Communications. When you get to this stage, we'll also ask you to upload any additional required documents. This could include a certificate of conformance, material certification, or finishing certification. If a certificate of conformance is required, we'll provide you with a link to download the document. Simply sign and upload the document we provide. To complete the part status workflow, upload all required documents, change the status to shipping started, and select the ship button. From there, you'll be able to print a packing slip and shipping label to ship the parts. If multiple shipping labels are required, or you need a different label than the one provided, please contact Xometry's support team. Regardless of the shipping label you use, please select the Ship button to indicate that the job has been shipped. This will also mark the job as complete. You also have the ability to update status of all parts within a job by clicking the link in the status column of the current jobs page. You may find this saves you time if you receive materials for multiple parts at once, for example.